Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Classic CC allows you to select photos in the grid view to work with in the library or other modules. As has been discussed, the film strip always displays the same photos as the grid view and vice versa. When you click to select a photo in either the grid or the film strip, that photo becomes the active photo in Lightroom Classic CC. Although you can select multiple photos at once by holding down the Control key while clicking to select, only one photo at a time can be the active photo. When you select several photos at the same time, the first photo you select is the active photo. With both the grid and the film strip, the matte of the active photo is light gray. Other photos that have been selected will have a slightly darker gray matte. When you have several photos selected at once, you can click directly on any of the selected photos, not the matte, to make it the active photo without deselecting any of the other photos. However, if you click any photo that is not part of your selection, or you click its matte, all the photos will be deselected and the most recently clicked photo becomes the active photo. When you select more than one photo from the grid view and apply changes, the changes are applied to all the selected photos. For example, if you selected 3 photos from the grid view or the film strip, and then applied a 5-star rating using the toolbar, the rating is applied to all 3 photos. However, when you have more than one photo selected and make changes in the loop, compare, or survey view, changes are applied only to the active photo. In addition to holding down the Control key while clicking to select photos, Lightroom Classic CC lets you make selections in a variety of ways. If you hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking a photo that is not your active photo, you will select all of the photos between the active photo and the photo you shift-click. You can also use the Edit menu in the menu bar to make selections. To select all the photos in the grid view or film strip, choose Edit, Select All from the menu bar. To deselect all photos, choose Edit, Select None from the menu bar. To deselect all photos except the active photo, choose Edit, Select Only Active Photo from the menu bar. To deselect the active photo in a group of photos, choose Edit, Deselect Active Photo from the menu bar. When you use this command, the next photo in your selection becomes the active photo. To deselect all selected photos and select all unselected photos, choose Edit, Invert Selection from the menu bar. This command reverses your selection.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.